Nothing quite beats a spot of home baking. Fairy margarine has been a reliable ingredient in busy Australian kitchens for more than 90 years, with a reputation for making top quality biscuits, cakes and breads. Plus, it's also excellent for homemade savoury recipes like tarts and pie pastry. With a block of Fairy on hand, you too can whip up retro classics just like Nanny used to make, like pineapple cakes, choc chip biscuit slice, a traditional Christmas pudding and a knockout vanilla cake. It's also the foundation product for Anzac biscuits, birthday cakes and even these pink jelly cakes, a modern twist on an old school lamington. Fairy Cooking Margarine has been used for decades as it's made from a special blend of animal fats that produces outstanding baking results, such as tender but crisp pastry for pies, tart cases for your quiches and other savoury pastries. Cooking with Fairy also helps achieve an even and soft rise in sponge cakes, helping them stay fresher for longer. Not that there'll be much left over. Proudly Australian made and owned Fairy Cooking Margarine continues to deliver the same cooking qualities to this day, while still remaining true to its heritage. You can purchase Fairy from major supermarkets and independent retailers, plus find shopping links on all the Fairy recipes featured on myfoodbook.com.au.